Book summary: Reptiles, Beginners by Catriona Clarke. Introduction. Reptiles, Beginners by Catriona Clarke is an engaging and informative book designed for young readers and beginners interested in learning about reptiles. It provides a comprehensive overview of different types of reptiles, their characteristics, habitats, behaviors, and fascinating facts. The book is structured in an accessible way with simple explanations, vivid illustrations, and fun facts that make learning enjoyable. What are reptiles? Reptiles are cold-blooded vertebrates that have scales and breathe air through lungs. Unlike mammals, they do not produce their own body heat and rely on their environment to regulate their temperature. This means they bask in the sun to warm up and seek shade or burrow to cool down. There are four main groups of reptiles: snakes, legless reptiles that use slithering movements to navigate their surroundings. Lizards typically have four legs and are known for ability to detach their tails to escape predators. Turtles and tortoises. Shelled reptiles that can live in water, turtles, or on land, tortoises. Crocodilians includes crocodiles, alligators, and caimans, known for their powerful jaws in aquatic habitats. Reptile habitats. Reptiles inhabit a wide variety of ecosystems, from hot deserts to lush rainforests and vast oceans. Some notable reptile habitats include deserts, home to species like the thorny devil lizard, which absorbs water through its skin; rainforests, housing species like the green anaconda, one of the largest snakes in the world; oceans, where sea turtles travel thousands of miles for migration and nesting; rivers and swamps, where crocodiles and alligators thrive, using stealth to ambush prey. Each species has adapted to its environment in unique ways to survive and find food. Reptile diets and hunting techniques. Reptiles have diverse diets that depend on their species and habitat. Some are herbivores, others are carnivores, and a few are omnivores. Carnivorous reptiles include snakes, which use venom or constriction to subdue prey, and crocodiles, which ambush their targets. Herbivorous reptiles like tortoises primarily eat plants, fruits, and vegetables. Omnivorous reptiles, such as some species of lizards, consume a mix of plants and small animals. Many reptiles have specialized hunting techniques. For example, chameleons use their long, sticky tongues to snatch insects. Snakes like the rattlesnake have heat-sensitive pits to detect warm-blooded prey. Crocodiles use a death roll to overpower their prey. Defense mechanisms of reptile survival in the wild is challenging, and reptiles have developed various defense mechanisms to evade predators. Camouflage. Chameleons and certain geckos change their skin color to blend into their surroundings. Mimicry. Some harmless snakes mimic the color patterns of venomous species to deter predators. Tail autotomy. Lizards like the skink can detach their tails to escape when caught. Venom. Snakes like cobras inject venom to defend themselves and hunt prey. Hissing and puffing. Snakes and some lizards inflate their bodies and produce sounds to appear larger and more threatening. Reproduction and life cycle. Reptiles reproduce in two main ways: egg-laying, oviparous, and live birth, viviparous. Egg-laying species like turtles, most snakes, and lizards bury their eggs in warm environments to incubate them. Live-bearing species such as some vipers and certain skinks give birth to fully developed young. Most reptile hatchlings are independent from birth, unlike mammals that rely on parental care. Fascinating reptile facts. The book presents many incredible facts about reptiles, including the Komodo dragon is the world's largest lizard and can grow up to 10 feet long. The gaboon viper has the longest fangs of any snake, measuring up to 2 inches. The leatherback sea turtle can travel thousands of miles in the ocean. The frilled lizard can run on its hind legs when escaping predators. Reptiles as pets. For those interested in keeping reptiles as pets, the book briefly discusses responsible reptile care. Important factors to consider include housing. Reptiles need well-regulated enclosures with the right temperature, humidity, and hiding spots. Diet. Different species have specific dietary needs. Handling. Some reptiles tolerate handling, while others prefer minimal human interaction. The book emphasizes researching species, adopting it to ensure proper care. Conclusion. Reptiles, Beginners by Catriona Clarke is an excellent introduction to the world of reptiles. Through clear explanations, vivid illustrations, and exciting facts, the book sparks curiosity and encourages young readers to learn more about these fascinating creatures. Whether for school projects or personal interests, this book provides a solid foundation for understanding reptiles and their role in the natural world.